Fantastic morning, grade 6. I am Ma'am Bime and welcome to another day of learning mathematics. Are you ready? Okay, so before we start, please stand up, bow your head, close your eyes, and feel the presence of the Lord. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Dear Lord, thank you for the hundredfold blessing. Help us to multiply love and respect. Divide our God-given talents. Add happiness and ideas to others. And subtract wrongdoings and grudges in our hearts. In Jesus' name, amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. You may now take your seat. Today we will learn new superpower skills together with challenging thrill of Elastic Math, the game hero. Are you up for the challenge? Good job!
Hello students. I am Elastic Math, your game hero. It's time for you to grab your pen and paper because I have a mission for you.
Can you arrange this in alphabetical order? I will give you 20 seconds to arrange this in alphabetical order. Timer starts now. Time's up. So the correct answer is Friday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So this is the correct alphabetical order of days in a week. Okay? Next, can you please round off this number to the nearest tens? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 930. How about this one? We have 455,236. Can you please round off this number to the nearest 10,000? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 460,000. Next, we have here 25 and 68 hundredths. Can you round up this to the nearest tens? THS. Timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is 25 and 7 tenths. Next, we have here 1,893. What is the place value of the underlying digit? Timer starts now. The correct answer is 100. Good job. Next, what is the place value of the underlying digit? We have here 56,674. Timer starts now. The correct answer is 10,000. Next we have here 16,874. And the underlying digit is 1. What is the value of the underlying digit? Timer starts now. The correct answer is 10,000. What is the value of 6 in 54,364? Timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is 60. So the value of 6 is 60. Next, we have here 23,177. What is the value of the underlying digit? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 3,000. This time, I have here a set of cards. We have here Jack, 4 cards of Jack, and then 4 cards of Ace. Which of these two sets of cards is greater? Which is greater, Jack or Ace? Timer starts now. Time's up. If your answer is Ace, that is correct. So meaning Ace is greater than Jack. Okay? But if we were going to use this picture, Jack is less than Ace. Pero kapag pinagbaliktad natin sila, Ace is greater than Jack. Kasi mga anak, ang Jack po sa card ay merong 10 points. Pero ang Ace po, meron naman siyang 11 points. Do you understand? This time, we will going to talk more about decimal. In this episode, we will going to talk about counting of decimal, comparing and arranging of decimal, and then place value and value of decimal number. Are you ready? Let's start. So first, what is the meaning of decimal number? When we say decimal number is a rational number that is combination of a whole number and a part of a whole. And aside from decimal number, of course, we have decimal point. Decimal point express the differentiation between whole number and then the less than whole number. Decimal point separates the whole number and the part of a whole. This time, let's talk about place value. So I have here a place value chart. We have here 23 and 1,564,978 millions. The place value of 3 is ones. And then the place value of 2 in 23 is tens. Because this is a whole number. Now let's proceed to decimal number. So 0, the place value of this digit is tens. We have here 1, and the place value of this digit, which is 1, is hundreds. Next is 5. The place value of 5 here is thousands. We have here 6. The place value of 6 is 10,000. THS. And then next, 4. The place value of 4 is 100,000. And then, we have here last digit, 9, 7, and 8. Ito pong tatlong last digit mga anak ay nasa millions. So, si 9, ang place value ni 9 ay million. And then 7, 10 millions. And then 8 is 100 millions. So mga anak, ito po yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng place value ng decimal number. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So, ang susunod na dyan ay billions. Okay? So this time, let's talk about the value of this digit. So I have here, what is the value of 2 in 23 and 1,564,978 millions? What is the value of 2? Very good. That is 20. Always remember that the value of 2 in 23 is 20 because 2 is in 10 place. How about 3? What is the value of 3? Okay, so if your answer is 3, that is correct. Now, what is the value of this digit? Okay, since this is 0, wala po siyang value. 0 nga po siya, di ba? So, meaning, 0 pa rin po ang sagot. Next, what is the value of 1 in 23 and 1,564,978 millions? Okay, so if your answer is 100, that is correct. So this is the value of 1 in this decimal number. What is the value of 5? Very good. So the value of 5 is 5,000. EHS. Always remember mga anak, kapag pagdating po sa value, yung nasa left side ni 5 ay magiging 0. Pagdating naman dun sa right side ni 5, aalisin na po natin sila. Next, what is the value of 6 in 23 and 1,564,978 millions? Very good. That is 610,000. Okay? Kasi itong unang 0 dito sa may tabi ng decimal point, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So meaning, this is 610,000. Next, what is the value of 4? Very good. That is 400,000. Okay. How about 9? What is the value of 9? Very good. That is 9 millions. Okay. And then 7. What is the value of 7? Very good. 10 millions ang place value niya. So we will going to read this as 10 millions. And then last is 8. What is the value of 8? Very good. 800 millions. Okay, so we will going to read this decimal number as 800 millions. Kasi yung place value ni 8 ay nasa 100 millions. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So, ibig sabihin, ito po ay 800 millions. How are you going to read this number or decimal number? So we will going to read this decimal number as 2,068,430,100,000. Kasi mga anak, ang last digit natin sa decimal number ay 3. At ang place value ng 3 ay 100,000. Do you you understand? Okay. So now, what is the place value of 4 in 2 and 68,413 thousands? What is the place value of this underlying digit? And what is the value? Okay, so the place value of 4 is thousands. And then the value of 4 is 4 thousands. Okay, so we will go to this number or decimal number as 4 thousands. 0.004. Next, we have here 18 and 36,709 thousands. What is the place value and value of the underlying digit? And the underlying digit is 6. Very good. So the place value of 6 is hundreds. And we will going to write this value as 0.06. Okay? And if we will going to read this digit or decimal number, that is 600. Do you understand? Next, we have here 4 and 9,811,726 millions. What is the place value and value of the underlying digit? Very good. That is 100,000. And then the value is 700,000. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong 4 na zero bago po dun sa decimal point. Bakit naging 4? Kasi meron tayong 4 na digit dito sa number po na ito bago mag-7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaya 4 na zero din po ang meron tayo bago mag-decimal point at mag-ones place na zero. Next, we have here 28 and 31,407,000. What is the place value and value of this digit? Okay, so that is 10,000. So that is the place value of this zero. And of course, since this is zero, wala po siyang value. Okay? What is the place value and value of 1? Very good. That is 100 million. So the place value of 1 is 100 million. And then the value of 1 is 100 million. Again, the value of 1 is 100 millions. Next, this time, let's answer this question. We have here 743,125 and 2,389,516 millions. What is the place value of digit 8? Okay, so let's check your answer. Magsisimula na tayo dito sa 0. So, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So, meaning, the place value of the digit 8 is 10,000. Next, what is the value of the digit 9? What is the value of this digit? Yung 9 po. Okay, so let's check your answer. Una, alamin muna natin ang kanyang place value. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 900,000. Next, what digit is in 100 millions place? Are you sure? Let's check your answer. 100 millions place, mga anak. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So, meaning, ang digit po na nasa 100 millions place ay 6. Ito pong last digit natin. Next, what is the place value of the digit which has a value of 5 millions? Very good. Of course, millions. Next, which digit has no value? Of course, that is 0. Yung nasa 10th place. Next, which digit has a greater value? Yung may pinakamataas na value. Anong digit po iyon? Very good. That is 7. Okay? Kasi siya lang naman po yung may pinakamataas na value at place value. Siya po ay nasa 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So, ibig sabihin, ang may pinakamataas na value ay si 7. Kasi ang value ni 7 ay 700,000. Next, which digit in the decimal part has a greater value? Dito po tayo sa decimal part. Anong digit sa mga ito ang may pinakamataas na value? Si 9? Porket mataas ang 9? Si 9 na agad ang may pinakamataas na value sa decimal part? That is wrong because the greatest value in this decimal part is 2. Okay? Kasi siya po ay nasa hundreds. Hindi po porket siya ay nandito o yung 6 ang pinakamataas nating value dahil siya po ay nasa 100 millions or 10 millions or millions, hindi po. Pagdating sa decimal number, mga anak, kung ano yung nandoon sa tens or hundreds place, sila po yung may mataas na value. Do you understand? Nakalimutan ko pala, nakabukas yung TV namin sa bahay. Nanonood kasi ako kanina ng PBA. Tara, samahan niyo ako na panoorin yung huling minuto ng laban nila.
To just get their focus in the last 24 seconds of play, especially San Miguel.
Ross will rifle it in. Terence ang tumanggap. Kasama sina Lassiter, Holland, and Faardo. Romeo couldn't shake off JB. They go to Holland. Too much time going off. Ross to Romeo. Huli ni JB!
Now the outside corners are well defended.
Here we go. Ross inbounding. Left corner pocket. Goes to Romeo. Holland. Back to Terence. JB all over him. Ross from the logo. No! And for the second time in the last 3 years, Barangay Ginebra will break the Grand Slam dream of the San Miguel Pyramid.
We all know that 100 is greater than 97. Or we can write this. 100 is greater than 97. But what if there is a decimal number? How are we going to identify if the number is greater than or less than? So next is we will going to talk about comparing and ordering decimal number. So I have here a sample problem. Let us read. The Larson family has two new buddies. They are only a few days old. Snowball is 5,300 kilograms and Axie is 5,400 kilograms. Which bunny weighs more? Do you have any idea? Okay, so isulat muna natin sila. So first is we have here Snowball. So ang bigat ng Snowball ay 5,300 kilograms. And then, si Axie naman po ay 5,400 kilograms. Which of these two bunnies weighs more? Okay, syempre, sino po? Si Axie. Snowball is less than Axie. At kung pagpapalitan naman sila natin ng position, mapupunta si Axie sa inyong left side at si Snowball naman sa right side. Axie is greater than Snowball. For 5,400 is greater than 5,300. So this is the symbol of greater than, and this is the symbol of less than. This time, let's answer the following decimal. Let us compare them. For number 1, we have here 41 thousandths. And then we have 410 thousandths. Is it greater than or less than? Very good. Of course, that is less than because 41 thousandths is less than 410 thousandths. Next, 7 tenths and 70 hundredths. Greater than, less than, or equal? Okay, so if your answer is equal, that is correct. Kapag ganito mga anak ang nakita ninyong example, equal po sila. Next, number 3, we have here 13 and 6 thousandths. And then 13 and 6 tenths. Greater than, less than, or equal? Very good, that is a less than. 13 and 6 thousandths is less than to 13 and 6 tenths. Next, number 4. We have here 58 and 46 thousandths and 58 and 7 hundredths. Greater than, less than, or equal? Very good, that is less than. 58 and 46 thousandths is less than to 58 and 7 hundredths. Next, greater than, less than, or equal? Okay, that is equal. So, same lang din po si item number 2 at si 5. Kahit magdagdag pa ng napakaraming zero dito, same pa rin po sila ng value. Next is number 6. We have here 6 and 102 thousandths. 6,102. Greater than, less than, or equal? Very good, of course, that is a less than. Kasi mas mababa naman talaga si 6 and 102 thousandths kesa kay 6,102. Kasi ito po ay full number. At ito naman ay decimal number. Next, number 7. 71 and 45 thousandths. And we have here 70. Greater answer is less than. Okay? Kasi mga anak, dito po sa unang part, 71 and 45,000 THS. Pag THS, ibig sabihin, decimal number siya. At meron tayo ditong 70. At yung 70 ay full number. So, meaning, in number 7, that is less than. Next, number 8. We have here 508,000 and 805 tenths. Greater than, less than, or equal? Very good. That is less than. Okay? Kasi doon pa lang sa una, 500. Tapos dito naman ay 800. Parehas po sila decimal number. Next, number 9. 62 and 29 hundredths. And then, 62 and 209 thousandths. Greater than or less than? Okay, that is greater than. Diba sabi nga naman, kapag sa decimal number, pataas ng pataas yung place value mo, pababa naman ng pababa yung value mo. Kumpara dito. Kasi meron tayong 62 and 29 hundredths. Pero, yung last natin ay 209 thousandths. Thousandths po, yung place value yung 9. So, syempre, ang may mataas na value ay si 62 and 29 hundredths. Kaya, sa number 9 ay greater than. Last is 10. 470. And then 470 thousandths. Okay, that is greater than. Kasi ito po ay full number, 470. Pero ito po ay 470 thousandths. THS kasi may decimal. May decimal point. Do you understand? Okay, so let's have another word problem. Let us read. Microbiologists need to measure very small things like cells. This table shows the sizes in inches and some different types of cells a microbiologist measures. Which type of cell is the largest and smallest? So first is we have here plant cell, and that is 204,000 inches. Next is we have here amoeba cells, that is 219,000, and then animals 202,000 inches. Question is, which type of cell is largest and smallest? To answer this question, of course, we need to arrange them for us to know which cell is largest or smallest. Syempre, si amoeba, and that is 290,000. Next is what? Very good, plant. Okay, 204,000. And then last is animals, 202,000. Now, na na-arrange na natin sila, ibig sabihin mga anak, the largest cell is amoeba, and the smallest cell is animal. Do you understand? Okay, so this time, let's arrange this decimal number. We have here 4,812 10,000. Bakit naging 10,000? Kasi tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So that is 4,812 10,000. Next is we have 4,281 10,000. 4,182 10,000, and then 8,142 10,000. arrange this decimal number in descending order. Kapag sinabing descending order, magsisimula sa pinakamataas na number, pababa. Very good. So that is 8,142 ten thousands. Next is 4,812 ten thousands. Next is 4,281 ten thousands. And then 4,182 ten thousands. So this is the correct order. If we will going to arrange this digit in descending order. Now, let's arrange this decimal number in ascending order. Kapag sinabi ng mga ascending order, smallest to greatest. Magsisimula tayo sa may pinakamababang digit or number, decimal number. Very good. So if your answer is to look like this, that is correct. Ang mauuna po natin, ang may pinakamababa po ay si 63 ten thousands. Next, 306 ten thousands. 603 ten thousands. And then 3,006 ten thousands. Do you understand? Okay, so this time, let's talk about rounding up the decimal. The process of rounding of full number is the same in rounding of decimal number. So first, of course, we need to identify the digit to be rounded off. If it is in tens place, in hundreds place, and after that, look at the digit to the right. If the digit to the right is more than or equal to 5, always add 1. And if the digit is less than 5, maintain the digit that is to be rounded off and then drop all the rest of the digit after. Do you understand? Okay, so let's have an example. Sabi dyan, round off to the indicated place value. So we have here 6 and 103,875 millions. And we need to round off to the nearest thousands. Ano bang number ang nasa thousands place? Okay, so let's find tens, hundreds, thousands. So, ibig sabihin, ang nasa thousands place po ay si 3. Ngayon, i-round off natin si 3 kay 8. Kasi nga po, to the right. And that is what? Very good. That is 6 and 104 thousands. So, do you understand? Next, we have here 2,512 and 9,738 ten thousands. Round off to the nearest thousands. Anong digit po ang nasa thousands place? Very good. That is 3. Now, let us round off this digit to the right. And yung nasa right niya ay 8. Diba sabi naman kanina, 5 pataas. So, tayo po ay mag-add ng 1. Meaning that is 2,512 and 974 thousands. Do you understand? Next example, 91,301 and 16 thousands. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Ano pong digit ang nasa hundreds place? Very good, that is 1. Bakit 1? Kasi si 0 po ay tens place, si 1 naman po ay hundreds place. Okay, at ang digit na nasa right ni 1 ay 6. 91,301 and 2 hundredths. Next, can you read this digit? Okay, so check natin kung tama. O, makinig na mabuti kay ma'am. 765 and 45,718 thousands. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Anong digit po ang nasa hundreds, please? Very good, that is 5. So, si 5 po ang nasa right niya ay si 7. So, i-round off natin si 5, si 7, and that is very good. That is 765 and 4600. Nag-add tayo ng 1 kasi mataas po si 7. 5 pataas, add 1. Next, we have 9,142 and 999 thousands. Anong digit po ang nasa hundreds, please? Very good. 9. Okay, yung pangalawang 9 po dito sa may decimal part. Now, round off to the nearest hundred. Okay, and that is 9,143. Next, we have 2 and 7,653. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Ano po ang nasa hundreds, please? Okay, si 6. Okay, so i-round off natin si 6 kay 5. And that is? Very good. 2 and 77 hundreds. Next, round off to the nearest hundreds. Ano pong digit ang nasa hundreds, please? Okay, 9. Okay, so i-round off natin si 9, papunta dun kay 4. Okay, and that is 618 and 900. Okay, kasi si 4 po ay mababa at sabi na ni ma'am, maintain. Kapag ka 4, pababa. Next, we have 83 and 6,507, 10,000. Round off, the whole number po mismo. Okay, so ang whole number po natin ay 83. Si 83 po, i-round off natin dun sa right, at ang nasa right ay 6. So, ibig sabihin, ayan po ay 84. Do you understand? Next, round off to the nearest thousands. Ano po ang nasa thousands, please? Very good, 2. So, si 2, i-round off natin kay 6. And that is? Very good, 427 and 813 thousands. Do you understand? Next, 918 and 999 thousands. Sabi po dito ay whole number. At ang whole number natin ay? Okay, that is 918. So, yung 918, i-round off natin kay 9 na nasa tens place. And that is? Very good, 990. Next example, 7,754 and 1,228 10,000s. Round off to the nearest thousands. Ano po ang nasa thousands place? Very good, si 2. Yung pangalawang 2 sa decimal part. Okay, at i-round off natin si 2 kay 8. So, meaning that is 7,754 and 123,000.
This is Miggy. He was working all night since yesterday, to finish his math homework. Let us help him to accomplish his homework, so he can sleep.
So Miggy to answer his homework. And that is on page 76. Let us read the direction. Give the value of each underlined digit. Okay, so value po mga anak. For number 1, we have 457 and 3,496 10,000s. And the underlying digit is 5. What is the value of 5? Very good, that is 50. Next, number 2, we have 6,711 and 39,145 thousands. What is the value of the underlying digit? Very good, that is 3 tenths. Good job. Next, 12,341 and 1,029 thousands. What is the value of 2? Very good. That is 2 10,000. So do you understand? Next, number 4. What is the value of the 7? Very good. That is 7,000. Okay. Next is we have 247 and 3,788 10,000,000. What is the value of the underlying digit? Very good. That is 8 million. So, bakit naging 8 millions, ma? Ayan. So, si 3 po, 10, 100, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, and millions. So, we will go through this digit, a decimal number as 8 millions. Do you understand? Okay. So, next. Ayan. On page 90, identify the place value in which the decimal has been rounded to. Kailangan natin matukoy yung place value. Ito na po yung mga rounded number. Na-round off na po sila. So, sa number 1, we have 36 and 98,146 100,000s. Ang ni-round off siya naging 36 and 9800. Anong place of value po ang ni-round off? Para makakuha tayo ng ito. Ang sagot na to. Okay, that is 100. Okay? Kasi kung mapapansin nyo mga anak, yung last digit natin na 8. Ito po siya. Okay, ni-round off po siya sa 1. At si 1, syempre, mababa, hindi na tayo mag-add ng 1. Kaya yung 9800s, mananatili siya. So, ibig sabihin po, ni-round off siya to the nearest hundreds. Next, number 2, 149 and 16,587 millions. And ni-round off siya naging 49. 149. Very good. That is 10. Nasa 10th place po. Okay. Next, number 3, 266 and 40,075. 100,000. Very good. That is thousands place. Okay, to the nearest thousands. Next, number 3. Very good. That is also thousands. To the nearest thousands. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, yung last digit natin ay 1. At kung titignan natin yung place value niya, tens, 100,000. Okay? So, ang nandito po ay si 0, ni-round off kay 8, kaya nagkaroon ng 1. So, ibig sabihin, to the nearest thousands. Last, number 5. Okay, very good. And that is 100. 400 natin, kapag yan po ay 400 lang at walang 0.00, maaaring whole number ang sagot. Ang kaso nga lang po, merong naka-add na 0.00. At yung 00 na yun, syempre ay nasa hundreds place. You understand? Okay, so good job. So, ngayon ay natutulog na si Nikki. So, thanks for your help. Now, for your assignment, I want you to answer the following pages. On page 71, set A, number 2. And then on page 82 to 83, set A and set B, 1 and 2. Dito po mga anak sa page 75, ito po yung place value or value. Sa page 82 and 83 naman, 82 to 83, yan po ay ordering and comparing decimal number. And then on page 89, discover together, that is rounding of decimal number. So this is the end of our discussion. I hope you learned a lot for today's discussion. Thank you so much in grade 6 and see you in our next class.